2019 Volvo XC40 updated new model luxury design. Volvo launched its new Care by Volvo subscription-based leasing service Wednesday at the LA Auto Show, making its brand new 2019 XC40 the first vehicle available under the program, in which customers make a flat monthly payment that covers insurance, service and maintenance for 24 months, then exchange the car for a new model. All-inclusive pricing starts at $600 per month for the XC40 Momentum package, before taxes and registration fees, and $700 per month for the R design. Under the program, customers can go online and make an order, then drive away with their new car from a Volvo dealer without having to negotiate price, make a down payment or set up insurance. The program is launching nationwide in the US and in 7 European countries.